DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making sparkly boho mirrors. These are perfect in a cluster or to line up on your wall in the bathroom. You're going to love them. And we're painting them with unicorn spit and unicorn spit sparkling. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some sparkly boho mirrors. To make your mirrors super sparkly like mine are here, use more than one coat of the unicorn spit sparkling. You can fill your molds with resin, paper clay, or just regular clay, but I prefer hot glue because it's fast and it's easy to paint. I love using E6000 Plus. It's a super strong all-weather glue with no odor. Finally, to hang these mirrors, all you have to do is glue a little loop of ribbon on the top, on the back. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.